What's the reason behind the commotion? Why do we have to feel emotions? What's the purpose of all this madness? Why do we struggle so much to control them? Every day is a mess when sometimes I feel like I'm trapped in because of my emotions. I can't seem to control them. Every day is a mess when sometimes I feel like I'm trapped in my emotions. I can't seem to control them.
Riding a number of models, from folding to cargo bikes. We think the bag grid power of Red City 5 Plus is the best electronic bike for most people, starting at $1,799. It's not about expensive for an e-bike and comes in a both low step and high step models. We also like that it has a front and rear as well as a built-in the bike rack. Its battery is removable, making it easier to charge. If you live in more urban environment, you may want to check out the Charge Bike City, which shares many of the same characteristics as the Rage City 5 Plus, but its handlebar and pedals can fold flat, making the bike easier to store if you have limited space.
Every day is a mess when sometimes I feel like I'm trapped in because of my emotions. I can't seem to control them. Every day is a mess when sometimes I feel like I'm trapped in my emotions. I can't seem to control them. My emotions. My emotions. My emotions. My emotions. My emotions. My emotions. My emotions.
Sitting lonely in my room again, trying to find the words to say, but nothing comes out. I am looking for the better days, seem like they just stay away whenever I try. There's so many things that I keep in my mind.